The world needs wind. And as the world transitions to more sustainable forms of energy, wind power needs to scale to 6 times what exists today. As GE Vernova, we're operating with a singular mission: to electrify and decarbonize the world. That's why we're leading the charge and harnessing the power of wind with 3 workhorse products, including our 6-megawatt turbine, our largest land-constrained wind turbine in the world. This high-tech, modern marvel is taller than the Statue of Liberty and generates the energy equivalent needed to power 2,000 homes. Now, we're manufacturing it in GE's century-old hometown of Schenectady, New York.
Every town is famous for something, and what is Schenectady famous for? Schenectady is famous for inventing the ability to generate and transmit electricity, which made modern civilization possible. That trumps just about any other community in the world, and that's because of the Schenectady-GE relationship.
There's a legacy here of innovation, creativity, that's world-changing technologies.
We have the opportunity here now to bring in a brand new product line to Schenectady and establish ourselves as a powerhouse in the wind turbine manufacturing market as well.
The product started with the realization of the Inflation Reduction Act, right? So that resulted in an intensity within the U.S. market and a demand for this machine. It is the biggest land-constrained wind turbine in the world, and we're bringing that here to the United States.
So I'm 3rd generation GE Schenectady. There's been a Carlson here since 1952, and I worked down the hall from someone who is a 5th generation GE Schenectady. So there's a lot of pride in the area, and so to see a big reinvestment into the site and know that we're going to be here another 100 years is really exciting for a lifelong Schenectady GE employee.
If we didn't have the facility here in Vernova, to do this greenfield would have probably taken 3 to 4 years to position ourselves to localize this product, whereas we've been able to do it really in less than a year.
This specific room is designed for iterations on a 1 to 20 scale rendering of the factory. The east side of this building is going to be dedicated to our wind operation.
I've really enjoyed working on this project and feel so much pride when I am able to walk down on the shop floor and tell the individuals that, hey, this Project Velocity that was just an idea is now reality.
Our investments in manufacturing, here in Schenectady and elsewhere in the world, give us a strong foundation for what's to come.
The energy transition, it's a journey that we should all be leading, not talking about, and that's exactly what's happening here. And this product line's very special.
Something that is new, exciting, and what our customers want in this future energy transition, that is exciting.
When you think of the energy transition, wind is right at the center. And so this team now is not only the team that started the General Electric company here in 1892 with the whole power sector, but in this next chapter, they see this as phase 2.
We are just as focused on the products that we build as we are in the people that build them and the communities that they serve. And we know that this generational build-out cycle, this idea of building more wind and deploying more clean energy, we know we're doing it for our customers, our communities, for our friends and our family, our kids and their kids, and all the generations to come.
What gets me excited about this project and just the overall business is that our journey's just started. This is something not only for us, but I think for our kids and our kids' kids. They want energy, they want to have the prosperity that it brings, but they want to de-risk the influence on the environment, and they see GE Vernova as a leading energy transition company to deliver on that promise.